Let's talk about those not so scary bottoms sewing patterns. Welcome to the Love Notions Sewing Pattern Sale Series. I'm Tessa and I'm excited to be again your guide as we explore another installment of this week's special video series. Today we are focusing on sewing your own bottoms. And this video includes some pattern sale updates and pattern shopping recommendations, and we even have a giveaway for a fabulous bundle of sewing patterns, fabric, and notions, all revolving around bottoms. So stick around today and throughout the series for more to support your sewing journey. Let's talk about some of the basics that are happening today. And before we dive into talking about those bottom sewing patterns and what you need to make them, let's just talk about the important stuff that's happening in the Love Notions world right now. From April 29th to May 3rd, lovenotions.com is hosting a site-wide 40% off sewing pattern and sewing course sale. This is rare. The only thing it excludes is our recently released Crescendo Jeans, but everything else is 40% off. And the theme of this sale right now is you can sew with us. Join our community and create something beautiful together with us, because you can sew with us and you can sew with us, you know? So come on, sit with us. We've got everything that you need to start, stay, and enjoy sewing. As you might have seen, as part of the sale, we have something special in store for all of our YouTube viewers. Each video in this series is going to spotlight a different category of sewing patterns. Today's is bottoms, but we're going to be showcasing our top picks from the Love Notions library in that category, and we're going to give you a chance to win an exclusive bundle tailored for that category. And it's not just patterns, it's fabric, it's notions, it's lots of tools, it's all kinds of stuff that are inside of this bundle. During this video today, I'm going to show you exactly what's in the bundle, and I guarantee that whether you are an old pro or you're brand new, these things are going to inspire you. You're going to be able to get some incredible deals, and maybe you might even win the bundle. So let's go. All right, first of all, let's talk about some bottoms essentials sewing patterns that are going to up your sewing skills and give you lots of potential in your wardrobe. So I've arranged these patterns in order from easiest, in my opinion, to hardest. And I think we all need to acknowledge the elephant in the room. Sewing bottoms can be scary. Fitting bottoms can be complicated, and it's just more complex than a t-shirt, and it feels scary for a lot of us. But I have to let you know that as someone, I cannot find bottoms in stores that fit my size, and being able to master my own pants sewing has been such a gift. So I hope that you try it out, and that some of these patterns that I've selected and narrowed down for you are going to help you get there too. And I think each one of these different patterns has its own part to play in a bottoms wardrobe, and they're all really approachable, they're all useful, and they all can help you along in your sewing journey as well and help you get some really satisfying makes. So first up, we have the classic Sabrina Slims. This pattern is really a staple for anyone who wants to have their own perfectly fitting pair of slim cigarette style pants. These are, think like Audrey Hepburn. These are for stable knit fabrics or stretchy woven bottom weight fabrics, and they offer the most forgiving fit, and there's a lot of ways to get that great fit. So this is a really classic design. It's a pull-on pant, and it is certainly one of our best-selling bottoms patterns. It even has a maternity option inside of it, and I think this is one of our best-selling patterns for a reason, and that's because they are flattering and comfortable and easy to achieve. They have a nice wide pull-on waistband. They are very easy to construct. They're very fast. And one of the perks is that this pattern comes with a fitting workbook, which gives you visuals on how to diagnose and correct any fitting issues that you might have inside of your make, which is just such a valuable tool. So take a look at the Sabrina Slims. Next up, let's talk about the Duet Trousers. This is another classic versatile pattern, and it's called a duet for a few reasons. One, it offers both tapered and straight leg options. Also, those can be made with stable knits or stretch wovens, and then also it can be used with a waistband or an invisible zipper. So there's just lots of duality within this trouser pattern. Additionally, Tammy has recently created a super helpful workshop course to walk you through the entire pattern from assembly to construction to fabric to fitting. It's like she's there holding your hand beside you. And if you're unfamiliar, Love Notions workshop courses are sort of I think of them as almost like an online college class where you've got worksheets and extras and modules and visuals, and it shows your progress, and it's just, using this course is another reason why sewing bottoms doesn't have to be scary. You can create a professional looking pair of bottoms every time use the workshop course, use the resources inside the pattern, and use the duet sewing pattern. Now let's move on to the legato jeans. And here's a pattern that is perfect for anyone who is looking to sew their own custom fit jeans. Trousers are one thing, but jeans, let's face it, they almost seem impossible to sew compared to an everyday t-shirt. But I promise you that that's not the case with the legato jeans. They're exactly the right place to start for anyone who wants to conquer jeans sewing. Legato is a classic denim design. Straight leg, a little bit of a higher rise, and it even offers lots of fitting solutions like petite sizing, standard sizing, tall sizing, as well as a full belly adjustment, curvy or straight fit. I mean, in terms of like the waistband, I mean, it even has a workshop course just like duets, only tailored for jeans sewing. So it's gonna go through every step, like top stitching, that fly zipper construction, understanding which rise options you might need. All of that stuff is inside of that module format of the workshop course. And these are designed to actually get you to end up with a pair of jeans that fits and feels great and gives you lots of encouragement. They're gonna be building your skills along the way while you take the workshop course. So we've heard such amazing reviews of these courses, and of course we are a little biased of that, of course, but hearing from our community and seeing these reviews, ask around. Ask someone who's taken a course and see what they think. I highly, highly recommend them to make the jeans not so scary. And trust me, there is nothing like making your own pair of perfectly fitting jeans. It is addictive, let's just say that. Now, lastly, let's discuss glissando bottoms. This pattern is so fun and interesting and is a great next step after legato. If you've looked at legato and you've sewn those and you've sewn the course, this is a great next step. This is a button fly. It's got a higher rise and it's so comfortable. Glissando offers shorts, crops, and even a skirt, which is perfect for spring and summer. So it just makes a lot of sense right now for anyone who's in the northern hemisphere, or maybe you're going into fall in the southern hemisphere. So I really recommend glissando as a not so scary sewing bottom pattern that will be fun to sew and will help add to your skill set. These bottom sewing patterns offer endless possibilities for creating your own custom wardrobe. And of course, we have tons of other bottom sewing patterns in the Love Notions collection, including skirts and shorts and all that kind of stuff. But I think that these specific options just make a full spectrum of really different options for sewing bottoms for any sewist. And whether you're looking for professional dress pants, some classic jeans, some fun button fly bottoms, or just something that's like really comfortable to pull on with anything, these patterns and courses have got you covered. Now, here's what's included in this bundle for bottoms. You're gonna get all of the patterns that we mentioned here, Sabrina Slims, Duet Trousers, Legato Jeans, and Glissando bottoms, along with a digital copy of each pattern. You'll get to pick one printed A0 format version that we're gonna stick into the bundle and send it off to you. Plus, we've got this huge selection of fabrics and notions to get you started on your bottoms sewing journey. So let's go through those notions and fabrics. We've got zippers, we've got jeans hardware like rivets and buttons, we've got thread, top stitching thread, and I'd rather be sewing enamel pin. All of the needles that you would need for top stitching jeans. And let's talk about fabric. Going from the top to the bottom, we have a mauve Ponte fabric, a scarlet stretch woven, a really nice Cone Mills denim, as well as a purple stretch woven and an olive sort of twill. And we also have some of our favorite tools, which are Wonder Clips and the Hot Hemmer Ruler. This is so great for ironing while still getting really accurate hemming measurements. If you'd like to enter to win this bundle, comment on this video and that's it. Each comment equals one entry for this particular bundle. And if you want to enter to win one of the other bundles in this series, just comment on the corresponding YouTube video in this series. Our winners are going to be selected throughout the sale period, so stay tuned from April 29th all the way to May 3rd. And be sure to beware of scammers. There's a lot of people out there that want to take advantage. Please note that this giveaway is open to anyone in the world, and we're going to cover shipping up to $40 per bundle. So we're going to be notifying winners through the comments here. We're going to be on as the official Love Notions channel, and we'll be responding to the winner with a specific email address and directions. We will not be contacting via DM, we will not be texting you, and we will not be giving you a link to click on. So please do not let anyone scam you into thinking that you've won and then asking for money or other stuff stuff. To subscribe to our channel and turn on those notifications so that you don't miss the next installment of the Love Notions sewing pattern sale series. And don't forget to use this video as some shopping inspiration for your next bottoms sewing pattern. Go get them at 40% off right now. And remember, you can sew with us.